You, yes, you. Listen, there's not much time to explain, okay? The world is in turmoil, and it's more than just COVID. Ladies and gentlemen, the people of Ligonier Valley, hear me out on this. First off, I am super proud of my Rams family. But now, more than ever, I need you. The mission, it's, I've been given word, okay? There's some crazy things happening around the world, and we don't know what it is, what's going on. But all of a sudden, elements are beginning to disappear all around the world. Even printouts and paper copies of the periodic table and periodic tables on walls and in museums, and elements are randomly disappearing off them. They're gone. And they're happening even before people's eyes. And the crazier thing is, these elements are disappearing from around the world. The actual elements themselves and the compounds that they form are disappearing. There are no answers, folks. It is scary, and every day another element is disappearing. Every day. We don't have much time to waste, any time to waste, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, it's elements that maybe aren't as important. It's something like the lanthanides and actinides, some of those transition metals that aren't as important. They're starting to disappear. But it's only going to get worse, because what happens when the elements that are necessary for us and for life, when those start disappearing? Nitrogen gas that makes up the air, oxygen, all right, hydrogen, even forming compounds, forming the water with oxygen to make a water molecule. Okay, what about the electrolytes that help keep our body running up to par, right? Potassium and sodium and calcium and magnesium. Okay? When these start going, we're toast. The iron that's in our blood, when that disappears, guys, as a leader, I have to remain calm, and I have to show true leadership skills. And I'm going to remain calm, even though this can be a scary situation. I have to recruit you for a mission. You don't have to come along if you don't want to, all right? But it's only for the bravest and strongest people, all right? And guess what? I know that that's the people of Ligonier Valley Middle School, all right? So I'm asking you to come along with this journey with me, okay? I need you. I can't do it alone, okay? I can't do it alone. And here's what's happening. First off, give your parents a hug and tell them you love them, all right? I hope to get you home safely, okay? But I can't make any guarantees, all right? So punch your brother in the shoulder one last time for, actually, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't cause a ruckus before you leave, okay? But tell your family that you love them, okay? Because we're going to Washington, D.C. That's where we're heading. All right, Washington, D.C. Probably a crazy time right now because the election is happening on Tuesday, but we're not going to the White House. We're going to the American Chemistry Society. Okay, it's located in Washington, D.C. There's a map that I have on Schoology that we're going to need to follow to get into the American Chemical Society. Okay, now, all right, each step, day by day, we have to just go in small little increments, right? Because there are some weird things happening in close proximity to Washington, D.C. and around that American Chemical Society. Okay, I'm guessing that the answer lies within there because weird things are happening. Kind of the population's been wiped out in that area. People are kind of scared to go in, and you're going to see on our map every day a little portion is cut. It's almost like Fortnite, where that purple wave comes in and starts wiping people out. That's what's happening to the map of right in that area of DC. I think what I'm hypothesizing is that these elements, okay, that are being every day just disappearing, I am hypothesizing that they're forming some kind of strange gas compound, right? That is, it can be dangerous, okay? And it's wiping out the map. So we only have to take, it's drawn to motion and movement. So we're going to take just a little paths, little steps each day to get into that American Chemical Society, where hopefully then we can save the world, ladies and gentlemen. Think about it, okay? Think about it. I want you to come with me, all right? What an honor it is to say that you helped save the world, okay? So I'm going to need you to tune in. We're going to be doing daily trainings on Zoom, okay, so that you can be the incredible scientist and secret agent for me. Okay, and we're gonna help again save the world. So, with that said, here's my teleportation door. It's gonna drop us off in DC in the map. Okay, so I encourage you to come along with me. All right, it won't be easy. Okay, but it will be worth it. All right, ready or not? Here we go. Peace, everybody.